Okay, not being familiar with where we are, we missed the turn. It is Saturday, the 13th of November, 2021. It is about 9:20 in the morning. It is 49 degrees, and we are over in the southwest part of Atlanta, the Atlanta metro area. We've just gotten a video of Langford Parkway, Georgia 166, from 85 over to 285. Okay, the GoPro's battery was exhausted, so it cut off. So we have changed the battery. It didn't get hot and cut off that time. We will be getting back on Langford Parkway East. And so we missed the turn right up here, not knowing where we're at. So we will have Langford Parkway inside 285 from east, going from east to west, and then getting back on, coming from west to east, just inside 285. I don't know how much further Langford Parkway goes, what it turns into. Good video today. There again, I welcome audience participation. If I say something goofy, let me know. Well, I say a lot of stuff goofy, but if I say something wrong, let me know. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. Like I say, I'm just a guy riding around, running his shop, getting video. Hopefully people will enjoy them, being able to see now, and 20 years from now look back, or people who haven't been in the area for 20, 30 years can look at it and see what it looks like now. And hopefully get some fall color. When we get this one from Langford Parkway East, we're going to go south on 85, probably maybe 15 miles south of 285, so we won't be able to put that segment on in the Atlanta group. I'll post it on my on my Facebook page, but I won't be able to share it to the Atlanta group. Higher up, so I think it'll still be a pretty good video. Atlanta city limits. $75.85 exit 1 mile. We're going to go on. I don't know where Langford Parkway goes east. We're about to find out though. I don't know where it goes all the way west either. We just got off right there before you get to 285. Okay, we need to move over to the left lane here. We want to come back and go 85 south. Let me think, where could Langford Parkway go? I don't know. We'll find out. I'm curious. Getting hungry too. That Burger King croissant wasn't very good this morning. Aaron's Amphitheater. So we must come to Lakewood. I guess 166 is ending here then. I know very little about this side of town. When we come back, we will hit 166 west, or do we need to find 85 south? I'm not. Lakewood parking to the right. Okay, well here we are. EUE Screen Gym Studio. I see the stadium up here. I said, I used to love the Southeastern Fair. Used to be a racetrack down here. We'll have to come back down here and make some more videos down here. Yeah, because I'm a lost little duck down here. Maybe do a little research about some other things that are down here and include some other stuff. Okay, we need to find 85 south now. Okay, there's a nice, what kind of tree is that? Is that a maple or is that? I think that's a maple. I guess we could ask the Atlanta police. You can see the old fairgrounds buildings up there. We'll turn and go up there just for the heck of it. Construction entrance. What are they doing in there? somebody push, push, push. No tailgating. Somebody needs to pay attention to that. I guess they'll let us out of here. I'm not going to a wellness check. Card holders must swipe upon exit. This is one way, so we can't go left. Help! Where am I?